Hi everyone, welcome back to Epilepsy Thursdays. I'm Casey and accept epilepsy. So, throughout the month of April, we are talking about the exercises that a person with epilepsy can or cannot do. Rather than cannot do, I'm showing you all the exercises that a person with epilepsy can completely do, and it's fine to remain fit. But the moment you start feeling uncomfortable with any kind of exercise, just stop it. अगर आपको हल्की सी भी अनकंफर्टेबली होती है या फिर कुछ अलग दर्द करने लगता है तो वो एक्सरसाइज तुरंत वहीं के वहीं बंद कर दीजिए, उसे कंटिन्यू मत कीजिए वरना वो आपके लिए हानिकारक होगा. तो बिफोर वी बिगिन आवर वीडियो, a big shout out to Instagram. Right now I'm holding their multigrain jawar multigrain flour, and the best part is that they have given the recipe right behind, so you can just follow the recipe and do it, or you can come up with your own recipe. तुम्ही ह्यांनी जे काय मागे रेसिपी दिलेली आहे त्यानुसार पण करू शकता किंवा तुम्ही स्वतः काहीतरी रेसिपी तयार करा आणि ती आम्हाला पाठवा. आम्ही कॉम्पिटिशन घेणार आहोत, पण ह्या महिन्यात नाही, आपण पुढे जे काही महिने येतील त्या महिन्यांमध्ये आपण कॉम्पिटिशन घेणार आहोत, पण तोपर्यंत तुम्ही नक्कीच प्रॅक्टिस करू शकता, राईट? सो येस, so let's begin our video, which is today I am talking about, let me see what I'm talking about. There are different types of push-ups involved. It's not just one type of push-up that we see on screen. अलग अलग तरीके से पुशअप्स होते हैं जो हमारे लिए आसान भी हो सकते हैं. प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है कि हम ना एक ही टाइप के पुशअप देखते हैं हमारे टीवी पे या फिर फिल्मों में, तो उसकी वजह से ऐसे होता है कि हमें लगने लगता है कि खाली एक ही टाइप का पुशअप होता है, बाकी कोई टाइप का पुशअप होता ही नहीं है. तो ऐसे नहीं है भाई, अलग अलग टाइप के पुशअप्स होते हैं, और वही मैं आपको कुछ ऐसे ही सिर्फ पुशअप्स नहीं पर और भी अलग अलग मैं आपको एक्सरसाइजेस बताने वाली हूँ, दिखाने वाली हूँ. लेकिन शुरुआत करते हैं पुशअप्स से, और हम आई होप हमसे हो पाए, बट लेट्स सी. Hi, so I'm gonna show you some push-ups right now. हमने हमेशा वाले पुशअप्स तो आपने देखे होंगे कि जो दोनों हाथों पर करते हैं. सॉरी, इट्स अ मेस, बट मुझे वो पूरा सैंड से कवर नहीं करना. सो वी हैव seen these kind of push-ups before, so it's not as if those are new to us. We have also seen crossing your legs, so you have to cross your legs. Just cross them, keep your hands straight, go down, okay? But there are another kind of push-ups wherein you rest your arms and go down and come up. But in here you go down and you come up, you go down and you come up. So this basically burns your arms. Again, over here we are doing an arm exercise, which is so funny, but we are doing our arm exercises again. So rather than, अगर आपसे ये वाले पुशअप्स नहीं हो पा रहे तो आप ये वाले पुशअप्स भी कर सकते हैं, और इसमें आपके केवल ये जो आर्म्स है वो दर्द करने चाहिए, भले आप ऐसे वाले पुशअप्स करें या ऐसे वाले करें. सो इट डजंट मैटर विच काइंड ऑफ पुशअप्स यू आर ट्राइंग टू डू, बट इन एनी गिवन पुशअप this is the area that should be burning like crazy. I mean, it should like clearly hurt you when I say that it should be burning, because trust me, it should be. So before we move on to our next type of exercise, I'm going to give a big shout out to Instagourmet yet again. This is the multigrain porridge that I'm holding. Again, the recipe is given behind, so you can absolutely follow the recipe or you can come up with your own recipe. And if you use my code, that is EWQ15 OFF, EWQ15 OFF, तो आपको फ्लैट 15% का डिस्काउंट मिलेगा. So yes, our next exercise is regarding our stomach. We have already spoken so much about our stomach in the past, and we are continuing doing so. So as I showed you, now when you're trying to push down and go up, your body shouldn't cave in, okay? Your body shouldn't go like this. Is not what your body should be doing. We will be talking about that next year though. We'll be talking more about yoga based exercises next year. So yeah, for now you just have to look at an amalgamation of all the exercises that we are doing. So yeah, you're in push-ups. That shouldn't happen, whether it are cross-leg push-ups, like your entire body should be in one line when you go down. Even if it's these kind of push-ups, your body should be in one line. It shouldn't arch like this. It shouldn't be like this. It is an amalgamation. The entire body should go down. Now, the exercise that I'm going to show you, it basically is for our stomach. That is, hold on. Now, when you do this exercise, make sure that you're not holding on to your toes. नहीं जी, आपको आपके पैर की उंगलियां नहीं पकड़नी है, आपको पकड़ना है आपका एंकल. ये जो जॉइंट है वो आपको पकड़ना है. You have to hold your ankle and not your toes, because if you end to hold on to your toe and if you end up pulling it way too hard, there's a possibility of you harming or hurting your own toe. So yeah, always avoid holding on to your toes. Excuse me. Yeah. So now in this exercise, what we do is we hold on to our toes and try to go up. So you basically arch your body upwards. Since you cannot you cannot technically go up, but this is the area which should hurt. If your arms are hurting, if your legs are hurting, then that means you're doing it the wrong way. आपके हाथ या पैर अगर दर्द करने लगते हैं तो इसका मतलब ये है कि आप गलत तरीके से वो एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हैं. क्या दर्द करना चाहिए? ये वाला जो हिस्सा है वो दर्द करना चाहिए. एक बार मैं वापस आपको बताऊं. फिर like go up. So yeah, that was the second exercise. A big shout out to Instagourmet. Right now I'm holding their Jawar multigrain and multigrain dalia, that is porridge. आप नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में देख सकते हैं regarding millets and the porridge as well. Now the one thing that I would really like to talk about Instagourmet is that it is 100% it's organic. Basically they directly take their raw material from the farmers. शेतकऱ्यांकडून डिरेक्टली ते त्यांचे जे काय रॉ मटेरियल लागतं ते घेतात आणि मग ते मिलेट्स आणि दलिया बनवतात. त्यामुळे hashtag be vocal for local, and you can get it pan India plus on Amazon Prime. So if you are a member of Amazon Primeचे जर तुम्ही मेंबर असाल तर तुम्हाला फ्री डिलिव्हरी मिळते, आणि जर का तुम्ही माझा कोड वापरलात तर 15% डिस्काउंट आहे. So EWQ15OFF, do not forget to use that. Now we move on to the next exercise. Now this is a bit tricky. I do not know how to show it to you, but ठीक है. It's for our legs. It is burning up our legs. In ballet, we call them scissors. Now what are scissors? Scissors are basically, scissors are basically when you scissor your legs. So it's like crisscrossing your feet. Yeah, those are called scissors in contemporary or ballet or whichever dance form that you do. Now you have to lie down. You can lie down. You can lie down in any way that you are comfortable with. You can completely lie down. You can have your hands behind your neck to support it, or you can completely just lie down. Now while doing this exercise, what should burn? क्या दर्द करना चाहिए? तो आपके ये थाइस दर्द करने चाहिए, और पेट के जो मसल्स हैं वो दर्द करनी चाहिए. So all it should hurt or it might hurt are the thighs and your stomach. If anything else is hurting, then again you're not doing it the right way. So yeah, let me show you how to do it. I'm just gonna lie down like as if I'm sleeping or something like that, because I prefer it that way. So just lie down and then scissor. So you just keep on scissoring. You know the leg should be straight. You can flex as well. Like, I mean, this portion should be straight. Wow, yeah. This portion should be straight. So when you're scissoring, your leg shouldn't be this way and scissor, or else there is absolutely no pressure on your tummy. You know, there's absolutely no pressure on your stomach. So if you want pressure on your stomach, what you should do is scissor. And when you come down, do not put your feet on the ground. You have to keep them elevated. So you go up and you go down like this. So it's always better to see up, सामने ऊपर देखना ज़्यादा अच्छा होता है और ना कि साइड में, वरना चोट आ सकती है आपके गले को। आई मीन आपका जो नेक है, गर्दन है, वो दर्द कर सकती है। लेकिन आपकी तरफ देखने के लिए मुझे मुड़ना पड़ रहा है, पर मैं अभी आपको सीधी तरीके से करके बताती हूँ। सो अगर आपका पैर पूरी तरह से ऊपर नहीं जा रहा, कोई बात नहीं। अगर मुड़ रहा है, ठीक है। हमें किसी के साथ कंपटीशन नहीं करनी है, हमें हमारे लिए करना है ताकि हम तंदुरुस्त रह पाए, इसीलिए हमें करना है, बाकी कुछ नहीं है। तो इट्स एब्सोल्युटली ओके। अलग अलग एक्सरसाइजेस है पैरों के, तो हाँ जी। साइकिलिंग भी है एक तरीका जो आपके पैरों को ये कर देते हैं, मसल बिल्डिंग के लिए काफ़ी इस्तेमाल होता है। तो यस, दैट वाज सिजरिंग। बिग शाउट आउट। I've actually hurt myself here yesterday. I scraped like pretty badly. Anyway, so our last exercise of the day is that I'm going to show you is sideways parting exercise. Okay, before I move on to the next exercise, you have to understand this part that the way I got up to show you the next exercise, you're not supposed to get up that way. Okay, there's a process. जैसे कि मैं फटाक से उठ गई, वैसे आपको फटाक से नहीं उठना है, वरना आपकी स्पाइनल फ्लूइड्स जो है, जो कि मैंने वार्म अप के वीडियो में आपको बताया था, वो इम्बैलेंस हो सकते हैं, जिसकी वजह से जिसे हम हेड रश कहते हैं, एकदम से मतलब बैलेंस चला जाता है. So do not get up the way I got up right now ever, because that is wrong. I just got up so that I can save time when it comes to this video. I can make this into a shorter video compared to how long our informative videos are, which go on for like 15 minutes or so. I'm trying to curtail that amount, which is exactly why I got up that fast. But you're not supposed to get up that fast ever, or else again there's a possibility of you having a head rush. I actually did get a head rush, but it's okay since I can handle a bit of a head rush. Not completely, but just a bit, yes. And especially when it comes to showing you the exercises. Now this is sideways leg parting exercise. I mean, that is what I call it, but it's basically lunging sort of a way. So what are you supposed to do is you're supposed to sit on your haunches, but not like this. You're supposed to sit like this. See, can you see my legs? They're flat. They're not like this, they're flat. So you just sit on your haunches, yeah? Sit like this for a while so that you get used to it. This entire thing, if you're not used to sitting like this, like most of the people who do yoga, or even Indians or Asian people, or even Japanese people are, we are used to sitting like this. So nothing burns when we sit like this. Nothing hurts because we are just used to sitting like this. But if you're not used to sitting like this, then this portion might hurt, and your ankles might hurt because you're not used to straightening them and sitting like that, which is okay. But over a period of time, once you get used to it, it kind of becomes easier. Always keep in mind that your back should always be straight. It shouldn't slouch. I mean, I have a tendency of slouching. I walk as if have the weight of the entire world on my shoulders. But while exercising, make sure that your back is straight. ऐसे हमें झुक के नहीं, ऐसे नहीं बैठना है, क्योंकि वरना कोई फ़ायदा है नहीं। हाँ, हालांकि मुझे भी आदत है ऐसे चलने की, पर एक्सरसाइज के टाइम आपको आपकी पीठ सीधी रखनी है, वरना मतलब नहीं बनता एक्सरसाइज करने का। क्योंकि अगर आप ऐसे कर रहे हैं तो आपके बाकी की जो चीज़ें हैं वो दर्द करने लगेगी। अगर ऐसे आप बैठ के ये करोगे तो ये पूरा आपकी जो पीठ है वो दर्द करने लगती है एक पॉइंट के बाद। तो जैसे कि मैंने कहा, मतलब नहीं बनता अगर ऐसे करना है तो। सो यू हैव टू कीप योर बैक स्ट्रेट और एल्स योर बैक माइट गेट हर्ट, लाइक इट माइट स्टार्ट हर्टिंग, और व्हाटएवर other parts of your body might start hurting. So always have a straight posture whenever you exercise or you dance, or any kind of athletics or sports that you do. So this is an exercise that, let me just show you how it's done. So okay, I'll show it with the other leg. One leg is straightened and the other is not. So this is how you sit and go up and down and up and down and up and down. But when you go down, you aren't supposed to sit. Your hip shouldn't be on your ankle and sit like that. So you shouldn't be going up and sitting like that. You're supposed to have a distance between your hip and your ankle or even your foot. So you go up and you go down. You go up and you go down. You won't see much of a difference there, but trust me, this portion and okay, just hold on a second, we have a technical issue running here. Let me just sort that out. Oh my god, this video is so funny and full of technical errors that it's kinda not funny anymore. So yes, so as I said, I'll show it to you again if possible. Let me just, but no, it's not gonna make much of a difference. Yeah, when you go down, so this leg moves forward, so you're stretching like this. Now I'm looking at you, which is why your back might hurt if you twist it, which you're not supposed to do. So I'm going to look straight and do the exercise, and I hope you understand it. I'm just going to gather this up so that you can understand what I'm trying to do. Yeah, up and down, up and down, up and down. So it's not a huge movement per se, but there is a slight movement there. And which parts of your body should hurt? This part should hurt, and probably the behind of, like, I don't know what it's called, but the muscles behind your thighs might hurt as well. So that is how it should be done. And you have to keep this straight. Okay, you can't have it this way and then go up and down, because then it makes no sense. Because then you'll be leveraging it with your anchored foot. No. So you have to keep it straight and then go up and come down. Up and down. So this might end up hurting and this might end up hurting, which is a good thing because you're burning those muscles up. So yes, before we end our session of the day. A big shout out to Instagourmet, millets and porridge that I'm holding in my hands right now. See, even right now when I'm talking to you, I'm slouching. I don't know what happens to me. So when I'm doing the videos, I'm slouching, but when I'm exercising, I'm up, which is very weird. But that is how it happens with me as well. So it's fine, fine, but do not do any exercises with a slouch. आपसे मैं बात कर रही हूँ तो अब ऐसे हो जा रही हूँ क्योंकि मुझे आदत है ऐसे, मेरा बॉडी का पोस्चर ऐसे हो जाता है. मैंने बचपन से काफ़ी बार डांट भी खाई है उसके बारे में. लेकिन जब एक्सरसाइज करती हूँ या फिर डांस करते हैं तो अपने आप बॉडी स्ट्रेट हो जाती है, जो हमें जैसे बैठना चाहिए. हमारी पीठ पूरी तरह से सीधी होनी चाहिए, ऐसे कहते हैं. बट एनीवे, अ बिग शाउट आउट टू इंस्टाग्राम. अगर आप हमारी लिंक यूज़ करते हैं जो है EWQ15OFF, तो आपको 15% का डिस्काउंट मिलेगा. और अमेज़ॉन प्राइम से भी ऑर्डर करते हैं तो आपको डिलीवरी भी जल्दी मिलेगी. सो येस, थिंक अबाउट इट. एंड नाउ as we wrap our video, yes, we have to wrap our video because it's been like a really long video. Stay strong, keep fighting, and as always, stay happy, stay golden. And this is the cons of technology. They shut up and they sleep. Stay happy, stay golden.